How are you seeing the focus on ROI?
Yeah, I mean, for us, it's a lot of things that can be done much more efficient. So I keep using this potential hiring solutions that are out there. And they range from everything to recording and synthesizing interviews to assessing resumes to, you can even go as far as making hire or no hire recommendations. We're not going to go that far. We're not exploring that. But I think if you think about the thousands upon thousands of restaurants we have globally, and just the fact that a restaurant industry is there's a lot of turnover, right? These are part-time roles. Sometimes they're high schoolers, whatever, temporary workers in college, what have you. And so there's a lot of interviews, a lot of job applicants, and to take time off people's shoulders to get folks in the door and hired in a much more seamless and faster pace will have a significant ROI for us. But like a lot of privacy use cases as well, I think you've got to, at least I put a responsibility on my shoulders to make sure we're actually proving return on investment. I mean, historically, and I'm sure people have a lot of stories similarly, is if business comes to you and says, hey, we need to do this with this data or this compliance solutions getting in the way of sales, it's like, okay, well, prove it. Prove it to me first. Let's not just hypothesize here. And so I think that same sort of logic needs to apply here. And I put it again, I think there's a lot of onus on us to hold people accountable to seeing that ROI. And proof of concepts are a great way to do that, right? To really, you're just getting a lot of sales, a lot of pitch, a lot of fluff right now, but you should find vendors that are willing to actually do a proof of concept that matches exactly what you're telling you this can do.